What's up, YouTube? CMI checking back in with you guys. I'm actually in the truck now. It's about 2:54. Well, can't be 2:54. Hold up. 3:54. I might need to check that clock. Daylight saving time. So this will be the first time this year me putting the kayak in. I wanted to get a little bit of footage before it got hot and heavy with the work season, and before I got my bass boat back, the Blue Bullet. Hopefully they'll be done this week, possibly next week. I'm in no rush because this time of year I know where to go get these slabs at. They're bedding right now, so if they're spread out in the channels or spread out in the deep water, I know for a fact that they're in spawn mode. So I got this little spot that I go to. I'm gonna go check it out today. Hopefully I can put a couple of slabs in the cooler before it gets dark. I think I'm gonna wrap my day up around about 8 o'clock, 8:30. You know, I think the CFO won't complain too much, aka the wife. But hopefully there's some big Shirleys in here tonight, and I'm gonna snag a couple of them. But other than that, on this drive, it's about an hour and a half, somewhere around in there. Get back with you guys later. Well, everybody, I'm here at the water. Got my minnows, crappie minnows. I might try some jigs out today. Not sure. But if they're biting minnows, that's what I'm fishing with.
Get ready to go?
Yes, sir. How you doing today?
Doing fine. You've been out here before?
Yes, sir. We always meet over there at Sugar Creek.
I was thinking it was blue for some reason.
No.
Maybe I just remember the blue sky.
Yeah, it is a Blue Sky 360.
I looked these things up.
Yeah.
And I was kind of like, the new one that I really like is the Ascend 133X.
That's the 13-footer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
45 trolling motor on it.
Yeah.
5-inch fish finder, couple $1,000.
I was mad after I got this one. Now they come with the Minn Kota already on them.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I had to jump through hoops. I took everything off. Actually, most of the stuff that I had on here, I took off.
The Aqua View.
Yeah, I had all of that. Yeah. I sold that.
You did?
Yeah, I sold it.
I'll bet you didn't have any trouble selling it.
No, I did not. What I did was I upgraded to live scope.
Oh, you did?
I did. All that. it don't matter. You coming in the boat, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yes, sir. You thought I was leaving? Ain't going nowhere. Come on, girl. Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. This is what we catch right here. Yes, sir. All day or all night, however you want to put it. That's a fish. Oh. Oh. I'm in trouble on this one. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It don't matter. It don't matter. You coming in here? You coming to the party? Yeah, you coming to the party? Yeah, you coming to the party? Yeah, you coming to the party? Thank you for the show. Yeah, you weren't going nowhere. Come on, girl. Give me my hook back. Oh, you coming to the party? Alright, we're gonna see how many we got and what we got. I know you probably can't see me. Let's see. Exactly. It's all good. Yeah. That's how we do it. Big Shirley in the house. Yes, sir. Now I gotta get my sodas out of there.